This strategy is going to earn you $2,000 per week, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I'm going to show you with examples, and I'm also going to give you the script for you to be able to do $2,000 per week directly to your PayPal. This is a high paid commission affiliate program. Let's get right into it. Alright, welcome to my channel, Waleed Talks Finance. Please make sure you guys go down, smash the like button, and subscribe to reach financial freedom. Today I'm going to talking about Sellics.com. Sellics.com is a platform for Amazon sellers. So what Amazon sellers struggle with the most is making sales and improving their SEO and improving their price per click, PPC. So when they make campaigns, like Facebook ads, they have Amazon ads, and they do keyword research. So these are all terms related to Amazon sellers. Don't worry, if you're not an Amazon seller, you don't have to worry about it. You can, with no experience, you can actually promote this website and make a lot of money, because this is an expensive tool, but they do have a free trial. So it's actually really easy to promote this website. Okay, let's actually look at through what is Sellics and let's talk about it. Okay, Sellics is a full one-click automation and adversary services for Amazon PPC. You can analyze your campaign. See, you have 7 free day trial. Amazon PPC combines AI technology, PPC experts, so to save time and to help Amazon experts to grow their business. And what in this video, this is actually a really powerful tool that if you actually want to be an Amazon seller, I recommend definitely that you should sign up to this actually with a free trial. So benchmarks and intelligence, they have 20,000 product categories. Look at this, 144% increase in revenue in 4 months. At the end of the day, this tool helps you increase your revenue. No expertise required. Sellics, they have a lot of tools to you. They have a lot of videos. They have a lot of knowledge beyond the basic YouTube knowledge that other YouTubers would try to sell you courses on this. This is a great tool for Amazon sellers because it will really bring you from the bottom up. You decide. Here are the 3 benefits of using this website, Sellics. It's a huge time saving because they create full automated campaigns for you. The optimization, so they use AI and they optimize data and optimize your Amazon listings. Finally, you decide what you want to achieve. So the goal is that the people that you will refer this to, they can improve the ASOS, their saving costs, their sales, keyword harvesting, ACOS optimizing, automated bidding, terms that Amazon sellers use and do a lot of research and takes a lot of time, but that you're providing as a businessman, as an affiliate, you will provide it. Okay. Alright, so what you're actually going to do is once you go on Sellics.com, you're going to go scroll down all the way down. You're going to go on About Us section. You're going to click on About Us section, and you're going to click on Affiliates. Alright, so once you go on Affiliates, you join the fastest affiliate program in the industry. Why become an Sellics affiliate? Unlimited earnings. See, you can earn $2,000 every week. Your success is our success. There's no limits. Yes, so when there's a free report, when they sign up, people can make a free report and you still get commission. Imagine that. They sign up with your link, they get in the free. The customers are getting something free, but you still make commissions. You get discount codes for your audience, and you get paid immediately. There's no waiting time. There's no 1 or 2 month delay. You get paid directly to your PayPal account. So this is actually how the benchmark looks inside of the platform. See, this is terms that do not interest you, but if you're looking into it, you see how detailed this is. If you want to take screenshots of this and use this, you can benchmark your account and see, you get a free version. They get a free benchmark, and up there they will scroll down, they'll look at all the data. It's very interesting. Orders and click-through rate, cost per click, product analysis. They will all of this, account structure, ad formats, take action, and then they will directly, it's a funnel. So directly next step would be to benchmark your account. And the benchmark is about $259 per month. It's very simple. So Amazon sellers will get a free demo, and then they will actually scroll down and they will be prompted to $259. So not only you get commission from the free demo, and you also get commission from when they sign up to the higher level of plans. Here are the 4 easy steps: register, application, qualification call, and welcome to the Sellics family. See, you get paid for every download. Simple, register, and to become a Sellics affiliate. Here, let's look at a little FAQ about it. What are the requirements? Is you need to manage a relevant platform around the Amazon industry. It's okay. It's a plus, but not necessary. It depends. How many followers do I need? It depends on your target audience, but it will be around 5,000 subscribers or followers. That's no stress. What you can do is actually Facebook account. If you already have a Facebook, you have 5,000 friends, or it's really easy to have that many friends. You can just add people, and that will be enough. Will I get support? Yes. After you join the affiliate, you will get full support, and they will always help you out. This is a great platform. You click on apply now. So you will enter in your first name, last name, your company name, your phone number, email, street address, postal code, what best applies to you, your website or URL. You can just put in your Facebook, or if you have a YouTube channel or social media, and how many followers you have, how many friends you have, and how do you plan. So you accept the terms and conditions and you submit. That is it. Now let's actually look at the strategy that you can do. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, once you're in the platform and you do get your affiliate link, what you're going to do is you're going to get started for free. You shorten your URL over here, and then because it will look less spammy. You can also use Tiny URL, which is a free alternative, but Bitly, it is the most popular. Tiny URL, I'm going to leave in the description. Alright, so once you do have your shortened URL link, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Facebook. You're going to search Amazon seller. So, and then you're going to filter out by, on the left side, you're going to filter out groups. That's going to show you a list of Amazon seller and FBA groups. What you're going to do is you're going to join about 10 of them. Make sure you do follow the rules of each group, because you don't want to get banned. Because some groups, they will not let you post affiliate links. So that's why you gotta follow the rule. You gotta follow the rules of that group. But most groups are pretty fine if you're helping them. You're giving them Amazon seller groups. You can also join review groups, and let's go in this Amazon seller group. Okay, look at this. I am on Facebook group, online retail Amazon FBA support group. And it's a public group, so I don't need even to join it. You don't even need to verify that you're a robot. And actually I'm gonna show you my exact script that I recommend that you follow, because I believe in free knowledge and that knowledge should be available for free for everyone. I have created a free script for you. It's a copy and paste script for you. It's just plug and play. It's really simple. You don't have to worry about anything. All you have to do is copy this. Do you want to get more sales on Amazon? Follow these 4 simple steps to get more customers without spending any money on ads. This, you copy and paste this. So you're giving some value, and in return at the end they will click on your Sellics affiliate link, which is your Bitly shortened link that we just created. So you give out this valuable information. Consider value you provide. Create a daily blog. Start driving traffic to your Facebook ads, and then use this technique. So I'm actually going to be giving out this free in the description. So you guys can go ahead and copy and paste it, and you guys can use this template that works wonders for me and other affiliates. You're going to go ahead and link that in your description in your Facebook. So you're gonna go ahead and link this copy and paste script on your Facebook. You're gonna take this script you're gonna copy this script. Go ahead. For example, this is one of the Facebook groups that I found. Create first post. Boom. Just post it. Make sure everything is spelled correctly. Then you paste your Sellics. Don't forget to change your affiliate link so you actually generate some traffic. Then you post it. Simple as that. This is the way that you would go about it. And you can actually take this exact script, post it on Reddit, post it on Quora, post it on Pinterest, post it on YouTube. You don't want to be spamming, but you want to post it in relevant groups. You can even join Discords that talk about Amazon FBA. This is actually a great method. Simple like that. It only takes one of the customers. You've seen it, right? The affiliate, how much it is. You can earn up to $2,000 per week. And you've seen the programs, how they are expensive. So you can earn a lot of money with just one customer. So it easily racks up a lot of money over time. This was your boy, Waleed Talks Finance. So please make sure you guys go down and smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, peace.